The shaft hole fit calculator, ISO 286, determines the clearance or interference between mating shaft and hole components, based on international tolerance standards. Let's start with the inputs. First, we have the hole class drop-down menu with options H6 through H12. These represent different tolerance grades for the hole, with H6 being the tightest tolerance. For this example, I'll select H7, which is commonly used for general engineering applications. Next is the shaft class dropdown, which offers 14 options from F6 through S6. These define the shaft's tolerance position and grade. I'm choosing H6, a common selection for clearance fits. Finally, enter the nominal size in millimeters. This is the basic diameter around which the tolerances are applied. I'll type in 30 millimeters. Now I'll click Calculate Fit. The calculator provides the tolerance limits for both the hole and shaft, showing the maximum and minimum diameters for each component. It also calculates the resulting fit characteristics, including the maximum and minimum clearance or interference values. These measurements help engineers ensure proper assembly and function of mechanical components, whether you need a sliding fit, a force fit, or something in between. Find the link in the description below.